Time check guys, it's nearly 4 o'clock ng hapon and nakabihis na ang all kasi pupunta tayo sa bahay ng friendship namin for Christmas. We're going to celebrate Christmas with them and nasa baba na si Daddy Mike at si Ate Paris. Habang ako dito ay, dito sa taas kami na baby Celine. I don't know where the milk is. You go find the milk for the pig. I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit guys kasi kahapon lang kami sinindan nila ng yung proper invite talaga na sabi, dapat red yung suotin today. So, wala akong makita ibang red, guys, kundi ito lang. So, pinalisan ko na lang siya ng kanyang, black na yung bigay sa akin ng mama ni Daddy Mike. Shorts. Tapos, white sandals na lang. So, yan ang ating pa-outfit. Tapos, nagala ako ng jacket just in case we'll get cold later on. So, ito yung aking jacket mamaya. Kanyan. And then, si Baby Celine, yan na lang yung pinasuot ko sa kanya. Nakita nyo na yan before. And here's my, bag to match my outfit for tonight. Para sa aming Christmas. Diba? Ganun. Bangga. So, naka-makeup si mami nyo, guys. As you can see. Look. Ang aking buhok ay ni-straight ko lang kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, straight lang daw. Maybe that? Or maybe I'll just hold it as it is. Like this. Diba? So yeah, yan yung ating pa-aura. Well, take you with us. And I'm not sure kung makapag-vlog ako ng bongga-bongga doon. But I will take some clips for you to see. So bye-bye, tita. We'll see you there. Nining! This one is very payak-iyak kasi hindi man natulog. I should show the shoes. Show the shoes. So see you there, everyone. I should show the shoes, baby girl.
5 minutes later.
Nandito na kami. Tingnan nyo. Agay, kailan pa kami makakarating niyan? This is Ate Paris' outfit. Show me your outfit, ate. Wow. Naka-skirt. Kasi alam nyo ba? Kasi yan lang din yung red niya. Na top. Daddy Mike, walang red. Tingnan nyo. Gagay na lang siya ng ano.
We're matching, see? Red.
Yeah. Wait, Ling. Oh. What is it? Ito na yung exchange gift ni Irene tsaka ni Ania.
This is Irene's, that's
We
Anya's.
got some drinks for them like wine and then Daddy Mike actually cooked. Meron siyang papasta which tastes very yummy. Tinry ko kanina.
I didn't even taste it.
Show me your earrings, no? Tingnan niyo yung pa-earrings ni Paris. Iba rin eh.
Bye, Daddy. Okay, bye, Daddy.
Bit na niyang papa ang scooter.
One more sofa.
A few moments later.
Yay! See? You can always ask. Dito kami sa garage, guys. Sobrang daming tao doon. Diyos ko. Christmas party pa more. Ako, tigabantay ng mga bata dito.
This will be on this house.
Have a look. Anya!
Anya, come. Do you want to join in?
Dito sa garage, pero tingnan nyo. Ala, ang dami nilang payong.
Doesn't matter, we're here.
Come! Kids!
Go! Santa's giving gifts! Go, Lenny! Quick! Oh! There's someone's drunk. Daddy. Queen. Ooh. Oh my goodness! Yeah. Ask Santa if you can open it. Yeah, thank you, Santa.
Okay. Bye-bye.
That was a good appearance.
Hey, where's your uncle now? Is he be a good man or bad man? Okay. Make sure.
Oh, goodness!
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Santa. Oh, lady, open. Open. Huh? What's that?
Let's start with the top.
Look at the kids. Meron silang regalo from Santa, guys. Oh.
I did it on the block.
Ade. Tingnan niyo, oh, sobrang daming tao.
No, that's brown. Okay. I need more white on it to make it. Why can I put white on it?
Good girl, Ling Ling. Very good painting.
White color. Oh, I should like.
Paris is opening her presents now and nag-exchange gifts sila.
I'm like, it's something mermaid.
Oh!
Up the Elsa hat.
Show me. Oh, it's so cool. That's very nice. Lovely.
Oh my god.
Do you like it, Irene?
Yes.
That's
I
good.
like it very much.
Aw, that's very nice.
Yes, yes.
Look, put it on. You wanna open yours lang? Lini? Lini, do you wanna open yours?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
No, you know, open this yours. Put that on.
How do you take
Baby, show me. Oh my God, Paris!
Raining.
Oh my goodness! Ano na nangyari, guys? Hala! So it's now 10 o'clock ng gabi, guys. Alam niyo ba, dito pa kami sa bahay. Have a look. I am enjoying this. How do you call this one, Richard? Let's say hi. Let's say hi. Hi, this is Richard, the chef. No. It's a Thai dessert, guys. Umuwi na yung karamihan. They went home already. Celine is already in their bedroom natutulog. Ang dalawa ay ang tatlo pala na mga bebe ay nandiyan pa naglalaro. Ito na lang yung naiwan. Our Daddy Mike is already drunk. Naubos na niya ang kanyang drink. Daan ba yun? Ayan na lang ngayon. Time check, guys. It is now nearly 1 o'clock. And nakauwi kami mga 20 minutes ago. Ang ate Paris ay diretso sa bed. She is now snoring. Ang ating baby Celine kasi nakatulog siya doon, guys. Gising na gising. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, nagre-wrap pa siya ng mga regalo. Anyways, pakita ko to sa inyo na ano lang, naaliw lang ako dito, guys. So, diba, si Amy, she works at Louis Vuitton. So, she gave me this. Look at this. Sobrang cute. Ito yung Christmas na, ano, tawag dito, Christmas na, basta Christmas na time na packaging. So, yung binigay sa akin ay itong stickers. Ano, bungkat ng Louis Vuitton, guys. Ano, stickers. Ayan. Pero, tatlo yung binigay niya sa akin. Yung pinaka-naalihan ko talaga, guys, is this. Oh my God. How cute is this? Ito yung cookie na BBN. Meron pang mga Louis Vuitton na pa ganyan. Oh. Galing talaga sa Louis Vuitton. Sabi ko, mas masarap pa to siya kumpara sa ibang cookie kaya Louis Vuitton good. Diba? It looks so cute. Like, I feel like I'm not gonna eat it because parang naanuhan ako ang tawag dito, pang souvenir ba, diba? And then, got another two for the girls. It's also from Louis Vuitton. That is so cute. Anyways, we had a blast. It was so good, guys. Like, Thai people, they're so friendly. They're all nice. And they're all chef, mind you. So, yung pagkain doon, guys, sobrang sarap. Kasi lahat sila doon ay chefs. So actually, there are two groups kasi yung group ni Amy, yung mga katrabaho niya sa Louis Vuitton. And then sa husband naman niya is lahat ng mga chef. Yes, baby girl. But nag-enjoy ang lahat. Nakita niyo naman may mga konting clips ako doon. Hi, tita, tito. What is it you want? But yeah, that was it. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas, guys. Everyone's safe. Walang naputukan. But yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to, hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. That's yours, but too small now. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Mwah.